Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV. I get everybody. This is your host with the most. Check this out. If you don't know by now, you know now. So, the beef is about Sean Kingston. I get robbing a one club. Them slap him in the head with a big bottle. A big bottle of Shereg, Pereg, Nongne, or whatever them drink. Some expensive drink. Him say, ouch, my head, him bend down. And them take off him jewelry and thing. Man and man said the game did it. And now the game is going at them. So it involves Meek Mill, it involves Sean Kingston, it involves a whole bunch of people. Even Safari on social media now telling the game thank you. Thank you for exposing Meek Mill. Cause while him the inner one girl crashes one night, Meek Mill did a FaceTime with Nicki Minaj. I tell upon him, say, yo, you should come over here and be with me because the man over there so without other woman and them things there. So keep watching the video because I'm about to let you hear what each one of these people have to say, and then SouFLoTV I gonna say what him have to say. See ya.
I'll get you some hottest watches, man. We out here. You got your ass. See, another package club ran for all your fucking jury. You ain't do shit. Your nigga sat there and watched you get robbed. You left the club, called my phone, said, "Gang, big bro, somebody robbed me. Can you help me get my chains back?" I told your fat ass that I will fucking see what I can do. Then you got off the fucking phone. Called me back 10 minutes later talking about Meek called you and told you that I had you set up and robbed in the club. Then you sued the club, called detectives. Then you called detectives with Meek on the phone, let them speak to Meek, incriminating me and my fucking entourage saying that we fucking robbed you, nigga. They had detectives knocking on my fucking door, nigga, at my crib, nigga. You a fucking lying ass nigga. And Meek, you know you can't fucking put hands on nobody, nigga. You a buster. You can't fight. You ain't gonna shoot shit. So stop fronting for these Instagram followers. I'm fucking you up on sight, nigga. Period. Both
yeah, I'm a fat nigga. The world know I'm a fat nigga. I went platinum being a fat nigga. Fat nigga that'll still fuck your bitch, nigga. Anywhere, nigga. You buff ass, steroid ass nigga. Going to run your cannon every day. 48 of fitness. 48 of fitness. Don't take another steroid pill, you hoe ass nigga. You was wearing a thong, nigga. You can't talk to me. I ain't no rapper. I ain't gotta be no street nigga. The world know what you is, nigga. You ain't even good in your own city, nigga. You was beefing with your brother, Big Face 100, nigga. He the real street nigga. Stop rapping about your brother like you hoe ass nigga. You a hoe, and the whole world know Black Wall Street, eat a dick, you bitch. Gang shit, nigga. Boxy boy, you the same nigga. Your mama was a crook. You a blood. Listen, you fake ass hoe ass nigga. You a stripper. The whole world know what you about, hoe ass nigga. You trying to sell some albums. How the fuck you look beefing with a pop star, nigga? You know what the fuck happened in the club? Them niggas ran up, hit me in the fucking head with a bottle, nigga. They took off my jewelry. Nobody shot no fade with me. Nobody did nothing. You a hoe ass nigga. Boxy boy. Suck your bumper clock, man. A pussy one. Oh, you feel like, boy? Gotta see a nigga up on the bumper clock. Change your heart show, nigga. You was on a change your heart show. What the fuck you talking about? You a disgrace to the blood, nigga. I fuck with real bloods, you hoe ass nigga. Fuck you. Everything you claim for, hoe ass nigga. You 43 years old, still trying to do music, bitch. Hit me up. I need a hook. I need you to write for me, Sean. I'm trying to do some shit. Nigga, I was a fan of the documentary. You been ass ever since, bitch. John no style. You know what I'm saying? Man, have a good day in a dog. And the man just come in with them bumbuckler evil spirit and I fuck up my day. You know, I want to that man, man. I want to this blood clot shipper, man. I want to this tongue wearing pussy one boy. I want to the dog, man. Hey boy, but die to here again, man. Bumbuckler sit down. I know you wear leopard drawers, pussy. I never you. How old then? Cause you're not a gangster in the world, no, you're not a bumper clock gangster. You're a fraud, nigga. Take care of niggas, them. You, pussy. Yeah. Straight like that hoe ass nigga, man. Fuck wrong with you. Little dirt pulled up on your ass, ready to drop your ass. You call peace pet rally, nigga. Oh, man, I ain't no. Nigga, hoe ass nigga. Dog was about ready to drop your ass. You call peace. Man, we seen this fucking movie before.
Alright, so for my audience, here's the rundown of the whole situation, man. Listen. So Sean Kingston is at it with the game. Apparently, the game is more at it with Sean Kingston. The game just said, you heard it, you saw it. The game said he fucking up Meek Mill on sight. And he said he is fucking up Sean Kingston on sight. He said both of them is pussy. So that means a beer bad man things that go on. Now, this is the thing that tripped me out. I'm on here watching some social media shit this morning, and what I saw was the game chilling with Safari. If you don't know who Safari is or was Nicki Minaj man before. He was Nicki Minaj man and hype man for many years, from childhood days, teenage years, before Meek Mill got with Nicki. So Scaff Beezy, aka Safari, I seen him in a video with the game, and then him I said, thank you to the game on his Instagram. Thank you to the game because while he was in a girl crotches, in other words, if y'all don't know what in a girl crotches mean, he was out there digging out something. He was finessing something. You know what I'm saying, with his third leg. And while him over there do that, the boy, when named the Meek Mill knew about it and call him girl and make him girl no because he wanted this girl. So in other words, then he might accuse Meek Mill of being a news carrier, you know. And this is where all the beef is stemming from. Sean Kingston, him get slapped in him head with a buckle. Them say Sean Kingston called Meek, and Meek said that ain't had nothing to do with me and my Philly boys. That was all the game. It was his crew that robbed you. So the game saying that in a one night, I don't know what the game I said. It's like he said in one night, Sean Kingston called the police, sue the club. I don't know how you sue the club in a one night and all these things. Now, let me say this. Sean Kingston, a lot of people saying Sean Kingston switch up his accent just because he's looking for credibility and all this stuff. Listen, Sean Kingston is Jack Ruby's grandson. Okay, his grandfather is Jack Ruby. If you don't know who Jack Ruby is in the reggae industry, go look him up. Sean Kingston is a real Jamaican at the end of the day. And a lot of people know, just like how I switch my accent up on SouFLoTV, I the same way Sean Kingston switch up him accent. And that's what we've been trying to tell people for the longest, that there's a whole generation of Jamaicans, not just in the USA, but even in England and Europe, or other parts of the world, that have the accent of where they're at then and the accent of Jamaican, and them can switch it up. And it's not just an accent, really, it's actually a way of speaking, a language within itself. It just have some English sprinkled in it if you go way deep in it. So most Jamaicans now, if they're a real Jamaican, when they get them mad, when they get upset, like how you seen Sean Kingston got upset and him start talk about Batty boy. And me there I sit down a whole of meds, you know. And me don't know what do that man with them evil spirit, you know. Come fuck up me there and them things there. That is exactly how a real Jamaican is gonna go off on you. Now you might meet them in public in the United States of America somewhere on your job, wherever, and you won't even know that they're Jamaican because they sit there and they talk to you just like this. And you might hear an accent, but you can't really pinpoint where it's from. Now when them broke out like this and then talk about yo Batty boy. I don't know what wrong with that stripper boy, you know. Yo, Sean Kingston said the man I wear tongues. The man, I remember that video. It was an old video of the game back in the day. I think the game was on some talk show, some dating talk show, and he was trying to get back with the girl or something like that. He wanted the relationship to continue, and the girl dissed him and said no. They're trying to use that to make fun of the game. Also, I think the game also worked as a stripper at some point in his life, and they got videos of that out there circulating in social media world. Just go look it up. Look it up on Google. Go to Google Pictures or something and look it up. I'm sure the picture is still out there. The game in a thong in a strip club and these kinds of things. So they use that to clown the game, but that's kind of old, honestly. That's kind of old. Everybody's seen it, everybody knows it, and we're over it. Amber Rose was a stripper. Eve was a stripper. Uh, so many of these females who are now famous were strippers or prostitutes and still are, just at a higher end than now. So it ain't no big deal. The game was that, and that's that. I don't really see why that's a diss. What Sean Kingston about to throw in his face as a diss. But anyway, Mr. Sean Kingston and Mr. Scaff Beezy, aka Nicki Minaj X-Man, aka Safari. I notice how anytime they out there stunting though, that Jamaican side of them never comes out. But as soon as they get in trouble, the Jamaican side comes out. I don't know if it's because when they get this, it comes out because that's what Jamaicans do, or they trying to use that as credibility. Cause Sean Kingston they talk about him know a real shottaz will make it fly anyway. And these things. Boy, you snitch by yourself, boy. Boy, you know a real shottaz will make it fly anyway. You better ease yourself here before them boy that come look on you. Because them man here, they are monitoring social media these days. And you can be easily incriminated. What I didn't like though is when Sean Kingston I talked about talking what other people did. The man said Lil Durk pulled up on you ready to blah 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 blah, and he went on and on. Then him say Young Thug was ready to blah 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 blah, and he went on and on. Then him say RDBLA exposed you renting cars and blah blah blah, and he went on and on. If you beefing with somebody, don't put nobody else's name in your beef, man. Cause now what you just did, the game gonna be preying this like fuck Lil Durk, cause he gave you, Sean Kingston, grounds to disrespect me. Fuck Young Thug. That beef might be back on, cause he gave you grounds to disrespect me. Fuck RDB. Cause so you see, you just put a whole bunch of other people in the game, Sean Kingston. Stop it. If you're really bad man or you not a bad man, you say you're a pop star and the game is a bad man. Alright then. Let it be like that. But if you're really there with shottaz and you know shottaz well can make it fly anyway, link up your shottaz them and tell them to make it fly. You see what I say? Now, what we see in here is Meek Mill. I haven't seen any videos where Meek Mill responding except for Meek responding with music. And this video right here, we just see a Meek out there somewhere in Philly, man, on the bikes with his family, with his boys, doing their thing. They not concerned. He dropping records now. The tour is over with him and Nicki. They made $100 million. They young and rich. They don't care about this. In all honesty, what I think this is, may I see the game on the Wendy Williams show, like soft as pudding. What what all this is, I think, is the game feeling a little bit irrelevant right now. He got an album coming out or something. I don't know. And he's actually trying to sell some records. So that's what it is, in my opinion. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me what you think about this. How that beef y'all go? On a link up in the comment section, yeah? I'm out. Peace.